Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to download DataKasa app. So guys, DataKasa is a platform that we can get cheap and affordable internet bundles here in Ghana. You can get cheap MTN data, cheap Telecel data, cheap Tigo data at an affordable price. Okay, so you can go to their platform datakasa.net and buy these cheap bundles. Okay, but in this video I'll show you guys how to download their app. Okay, so they have app for iOS users and Android users, and without wasting my time, let me go to my browser and show you guys how to get this app installed on your phone to get cheap bundles. Okay, so first I'll open my browser and search for the platform. Okay, so the platform is called datakasa.net. okay, so I will just wait for the platform. Okay, this is the interface of the platform. Welcome to DataKasa, okay, your trusted hub for fast and affordable internet data in Ghana. Okay, so let's download the app. To download the app, you need to click on this menu bar here and you see download app. Okay, so you click on this download app and this will appear. Okay, so they have this app for iOS users and Android users. Okay, so if you are an Android person, you are using an Android, you can just click on this download for Android and automatically you will just download the app and you install it on your Android phone, whether Samsung, whether Itel, whether Techno or Infinix. You can download the app to your phone with ease. Okay, and if you are an iOS user like me, if you are using an iPhone, it's very simple to download the app on your phone. So since I'm using an iPhone, I will show you guys how to download the app on your iPhone. Okay, so to download the app on your iPhone, you just need to click on this download for iPhone button over here and this pop-up will appear. So you need to read these instructions and follow and you will get your app installed. Okay, so the first thing they said is tap the share button and open the share menu in Safari. Then the second one is select add to home screen, and the third one is tap add. Okay, so let's do all step by step. First we tap the share button, we add to home screen and we click on add. Okay, so I'll just click on this share button over here. This is my share button. You can see there is a share button over here. I click on the share button, then I will scroll down and I will see add to home screen over here, and I will wait for this icon to come. You can see the app icon is here, and after that I'll click on add. Okay, so you make sure this is turned on, open as a web app, turn on, then I'll click on add. Okay, so I'll click on this add and automatically you can see I have installed the app on my phone. You can see the app is on my phone right now. Yeah, DataKasa, and you can just use this app to buy your cheap and fast internet data you want, whether for MTN or Telecel or Tigo. So this is the app installed. You can see DataKasa. Yeah, so if this video helped you to download the app on your phone, whether you are using an iPhone or you are using an Android, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.